Welcome friends. Today I am going to tell you about a Google Chrome extension Save to Pocket. The easiest and fastest way to capture your articles, web pages, videos and many more things for future use or future readings, etc. Okay. Let's see how we can use it. Go to your Google Chrome, go to google.com, right here, web store, go to Chrome Web Store extensions and search here Save to Pocket. You will see the first option, Save to Pocket, right? There will be a an option of Add to Chrome here, as I have already installed Save to Pocket at my Google Chrome, so there is the option coming Rate It. Okay, and you have to click on Add to Chrome, and after Add to Chrome it will ask you to yes or no add to Chrome. Right now what we have to do, once it is installed, then you have to click on this icon. Right, this icon is of Save to Pocket, and now you have to sign up with your Google account. Let I am signing in with one of my Google account. Now here is my list that I have already saved in my Save to Pocket folder, or you can say there are a lot of options. My list, archive, favorites, highlights, tags, articles, videos. That means you can save all your things, all your content that you are watching on web pages or online, and you want to save though that content for future readings or future references. You can easily save it to your pocket. Now how it works, there are three main options through which you can save your content or your web pages or your articles or your video to the Save to Pocket. The first option is go to plus symbol. Suppose I have to save this page, I will copy this URL and after that I will paste it here and then I will save. Now you will see the same page, that is electronictutorials.ws. It is now saved in my pocket of Google Chrome, and I can access it, fetch it anytime at any device by just signing into my Google account with which I have saved to this my Save to Pocket. The second option through which, or the second way through which you can save this, suppose I have to save this, I directly opened this web page and now I have to click on this Save to Pocket. It will show Save to Pocket. Now if I click here, you will see Open Pocket, and in my Save to Pocket folder there is all about circuits. That was the original page. Right, the third way to open or to store this web pages to my pocket folder, the for example, if I have to save this, I will right click on here and here will be the option Save to Pocket, and in this way the link will be saved to my Save to Pocket. Right, now let's come to the My Pocket, how you can use it now. If you have to search, you can search from here. If you have to add new page, you have to edit something, or you have to share it, or your you have to view your inbox here. Right, now I want to access it. I can access it without any advertisements on that page, but the problem is that you cannot see pictures here, diagrams here, right? But you can use highlighter here. If I suppose I have to highlight this content, I will highlight it. I can tag it to someone, I can make it favorite, I can archive it, or I can delete it, or I can share it with someone or your students or your friends. You can copy link from here, you can say recommend, you can send recommendation of it, send to a friend, view, or you can see even original, right? This option is also available here. If you want to see the original web page, then you can access it from there by clicking on view original. Thank you.